As an emergency vehicle service provider, you need a fleet maintenance management software you can count on. You're looking to track inventory and repair orders in real time while managing the status of your job from start to finish. So how do we do all of this and increase customer retention? Well, here at BrightOrder, we want to ensure that our first responders are able to jump into action at a moment's notice. EMDECS, our maintenance management software, designed with shops and technicians in mind. Our features give you greater visibility into the life cycle of your repair orders and help manage all operating costs. A few of our key features include in-depth reporting, VMRS coding, repair orders in real time, PM scheduling, mobile repair orders, inventory and warranty tracking, and our application is completely cloud-based. Let's take a look at how EMDECS has made some of our customers successful. Out in California, Jason Dinkle, operations manager at Golden State, talks about the positive impacts that EMDECS has provided for his business.
You know, being in the fire truck industry, there's a lot of high pressure demands on our time and our resources. And we need to have a software system that helps service and provide our customers with that high level of dependability and reliability. The men and women out there fighting fires really rely on us to perform at a top-notch level, just like those homeowners expect those firefighters to perform at their highest level. Well, with the software system that we've chosen, EMDECS, which we are so pleased that we did, has helped us to manage our inventory, control workflows, and really deliver the results that these firefighters, men and women out there, that they deserve.
Here is Clayton Berg, owner and general manager at Superior Equipment.
With moving over to EMDECS, we've been able to track repairs better, help customers understand what's happening to their fire truck when it is here with real-time reporting through our service manager. We've also been able to track parts better and their use to help us build better min-maxes and allow us to bring in the correct inventory. With all of this being implemented in our company, we're helping our customers keep their equipment on the road and keep them informed as to what's going on.
With 1.5 million active units, EMDECS is able to help recover inventory costs, enhance labor productivity, and increase customers' profits. If you're looking for the right tool in your shop, please visit our website or contact us today at sales@brightorder.com.